Wake your ass up. Wake your ass up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake your ass up. Wake your ass up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake your ass up. Good morning. Good morning, peeps. Today is basically our last day. We have to make the best of it. Jeudi, c'est comme si c'est dernier jour. Parce que vacances fini, rete. Mais cause. Thursday, which was yesterday, nous t'es allé dans catamaran in the morning. Then we went horseback riding. And then we came home and did karaoke and a bunch of we did a lot of singing. We did cat and everything. But jeudi, we have an eventful day. Nous avons pile bagay qui préparé pour jeudi. But matin, nous allons dans ATV ride, which is gonna be fun. And then it's a long tour. Tout ça en tige long parce que nous allons aller pour juste 2 heures, 9 heures pour 2 heures. And then when we come back home, we have private massage, we have a private chef. Listen, we don't play. When we playing, we don't play. But anyways, I'm a little sad because here comes my vacances. But it was a great time, and we still have today. And guess what, Simon? In Costa Rica, for some reason, je n'ai pas long. I don't know. Like, for example, moi levé là, il get a clé. Depuis 5 heures du matin, il clé, first of all. So, on ne va pas arrêter dans la cabane dormi. Si on a vu ici là, I don't see how you can sleep in because it's mad early. Like, il get a fait clé dehors. So, yeah. Nous avons vraiment fait photo dans view ça, non, mesdames? We haven't really taken pictures there. So, je dis à nous pour nous faire photo dans Kaila. Like, yeah. Je vendredi, c'est jour fou là, so, very nice pictures. Red worship pour nous, ça nous gagne pour jeudi, okay? Bon, montrez-nous pendant que ça show. Yo quitté spices pour nous, et puis nous même dans l'acheter. Tandis que yo quitté pour nous. Alright, we're gonna go. We're going on an ATV ride. Si nous arrivons. Hi, gato. So, gato. Gato. Gato always on time.
I know. Oh my God.
If you come to Costa Rica, you don't call gato. Ubarele gato. You not. Like, seriously.
Wasting your time.
Wasting your time.
He knows all the good places.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah, les passer l'acheter chivos.
Jump right there, the match animality.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. Wherever we go, we're taking control.
Don't play with her, don't play with her, don't play with her, don't play with her. Hey!
The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times.
Maman, berfo. Eu que tá contigo? Oh my God. Well, damn. What? Eh? Maman, eh, food.
Non, pas capable.
If CPM Chape me tomber en bas was in real life. Oh, food. Wow. Yes, Listad. Wow, Listad. Good job. Good job, Listad. But Listad is doing great. But I'm capable. But I'm capable. Parce que what's your bag? What did you go to Haiti? They put you go to Haiti. I was like, you driving? Yeah, they put go to Haiti. You can't conduire because you good. Good job, Babu.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. Wherever we go, we're taking control. The future is ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
waterfall. So now nous sommes campés faire photo. Like literally, this is like, li fè m sonje Haiti, mon yo sant nan, like, sant terre, pil pied bois yo, mon yo, et comme si c'est au cap, mais nous qu'on a le cap. Oh, café, nous sommes allés là, like, wow, like, literally, et comme si c'est café Haiti. N'acheter pour côté, on fait le from scratch, côté nous allons faire ça allés là, café à goût.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought.
Oh, mes amours, nous arrivons back la caille, and then nous allons continuer vlog là, oui, but moi je voulais montrer nous caille là pas dehors, because en dame te montrer nous, parce que te montrer nous dehors, the view of the house was beautiful. Caille là nan tête en mon, nous par contre si nous nous qui sorti au cap, nous connaissons hôtel qui gagne, parce que j'ai un hôtel là, li en tête en mon. C'est comme ça qu'elle a, il est juste en tête mon. So we have a nice view. Qu'elle a vraiment moderne, nous capable voir décoration dans belle comme ça dehors à tout vraiment moderne. Nous t'ai vraiment aimé Airbnb ya. Nous t'ai vraiment enjoy Airbnb ya. And m'a quitter nous just fin watch video ça. And then we're gonna go back to the vloggy.
Mes amours, on still gen poussière sous moi toujours, but nous sommes back from horseback riding. Nous toujours plein de horseback riding, but yeah, c'est ATV ride nous sommes fait jeudi. It was amazing. Like when I say amazing, I mean amazing. C'était vraiment perfect. And then konnyea là nous gen downtime because we following our itinerary. So na agenda nous jeudi, me mettre le bol là, me montrer nous. Nous avons temps libre et then après temps libre là nous pour aller gain private massage, so moun ya pral vin là, and then after the private massage nous avons temps libre encore pour nous get ready for dinner. Nous avons un private chef qui a vinn faire manger pour nous mêmes. So c'est ça nous gain agenda for the day. So right now we just like cleaning. Nous tap clean parce que matin imagine pas de temps clean kitchen and stuff, so nous cleaning de quoi pour les chefs la venir pita pour tout bagay bien clean. And then so now we're gonna chill. We're probably gonna go to the pool. I mean, we will go to the pool because nous allons faire photo ensemble avec bikini, etc.
That was part of the plan too. So nous gagne matching bikini. So nous allons bon pour là pour nous mettre pour nous faire photo, enjoy the pool until it's time jusqu'à ce que l'elle arrive pour nous venir voir nous massage là. But this is, oh my God, I can't believe the message of up quitter this amazing thing over here. Konnyea là, on a fait préparation pour nous faire belle photo dans table là. Okay, first of all, we have to have like Instagram pictures. T'as les femmes petites vidéos tout. That's what friends are for.
And you see this.
But this is what's going on over here. Konnyea là, yo vini pour nous faire massage. So. All right. Mesdames, mes amours, Konnyea là, nous allons manger dîner, nous avons un private chef qui est venu dans Kaila.
La verdad tiempo me compré un Rolex. La plata no es felicidad, pero invierto en Forex. Me confundo quién amar, a quién mandarle flores. Yeah. Tener uno, tener más amores. Yeah. Tenemos hielo, yeah. Estamos allá. En doctorado, los tonalidades, yeah. Yo en mi grande, que la que hay. Lo más que quiero es los saludos de mi madre. No le doy su ticket y no se repite. Dice que me la dan, al menos no quiten. Oh yeah. Con los autorice, oh yeah. Desde que tengo a mi familia, la paso bien. Que Dios me llene más de vida, la paso bien. Mis panas rompiendo la liga, la paso bien. La meta la tenemos fija, desde que tengo a mi familia, la paso bien. Que Dios me llene más de vida, la paso bien. Mis panas rompiendo la liga, la paso bien. La meta la tenemos fija, la tenemos fija.
Hablan de plata, yo de niveles. Como el dicho, la verdad lo que más duele. Oh no, ¿cómo va? Baby, mucha envidia y no hace nada. Me dicen la loca por tener mis sueños, por negar que alguien vaya a ser mi dueño. Pero que me toca hacer venir a lo mío. Déjenme sola si no quieren lío. Yo le doy su ticket y no se repite. Dicen que me la dan, al menos no quiten. Oh yeah, no los autorice. Oh yeah, la que tenga mi familia. Que Dios Dios me dio de amarte vida.
La paso bien,
Mis fans rompiendo la liga.
la paso bien.
La meta la tenemos fija. La que tenga mi familia.
Manje yo good, ti moun. Yeah, yo good. Yo sot ban nou appetizer. For appetizer, nou te gen chicken wings ansama avek. Yeah, chicken wings. So it was very good. It good. And I put the salad for nou. Oh, il arrive à manger salade. Nice.
Que Dios me dio de amarte vida.
La paso bien,
Mis fans rompiendo la liga.
la paso bien.
La meta la tenemos fija. La tenemos
Me
fija.
gusta el consentimiento, eso es lo que siento. Esto no es la cima, ya se siente otro viento. Tómate el tiempo y si quieres yo te cuento cómo es vivir y no morir en el intento. Te enseño cómo invierto, solo apostar en lo que es 100% cierto. Ahora como lo que quiero, mi plata cubiertos. Y los míos comen aunque no tengan abiertos. El hambre ya está muerto. Yo le doy su ticket y no se repite. Dicen que me la dan, al menos no quiten. Oh yeah, no los autoricé. Oh yeah, desde que tengo a mi familia.
Que Dios me dio de amarte vida.
Paso bien, mis manos rompiendo la liga.
La meta la tenemos fija.
Desde que tengo a mi familia.
Que Dios me dio de amarte vida.
Mis manos rompiendo la liga.
La meta la tenemos fija. La tenemos fija.
They were in high school when they met.
Guys, manje a te go. Like, the steak was, oh my god, like, mba ka explike. Manje a te bon. Bon. Premier fois manje nan men yon private chef ki that good. Like, m kon manje yo kon go, but this, by far, c'est the best. Konnyea la nou pral entre nou aktivite.
Okay, so right now, nou pral chwazi nan sayo ki kote next girls trip la prale, ok? Ki kote nou prale nan next girls trip la. So, chak moun ekri 2 choix. So, chak moun te gen 2 papye, yo chak ekri yon kote yo ta anvi ale. So, now nou pral pase. Chak sa nou ouve nap di, that's the place we're not gonna go. And then the last one, Danielle, se la nou pale.
Mbawe is that. I'm just gonna come on.
You can pick it up further.
Chak
You
moun
have
ap
to close your eyes.
No.
Oh, chak moun ap wan you?
Yeah, chak moun ap ouve. Those are the places we're not gonna go.
Not gonna go to St. Lucia.
Oh, man,
Sorry,
that's a
not
good
sorry.
one. That's a good one. Okay. Ladies, we are not going to Navis.
Where is that? Ki moun bloke ki bagay sa?
Wow, mde ki tomate. Sa te yon nou chwa pou te tab gale yo. Kote, it's kedi mte ale ya, oui.
Wow.
Yeah,
Koma
pa Navis
yele?
liye.
No,
Ki kote liye?
it was
St. Kitts. Navis, yeah, but it's the Navis
Oh,
part.
yeah,
St. Kitts Navis.
Oh, it was
That's a
nice.
very nice place.
It is.
Yeah.
La ou ka lo asten, ou ka aten kou ka dos. Ou ka do close by.
Yeah, ou ka fe tou.
Ou ka fe
St. Kitts, yeah.
Get the kote ki close by.
So St. Kitts Navis.
okay.
Better place nou pale a. Place nou pale a better pa United States.
You gonna problem at United States, you know?
The place that we are not gonna go is Colombia.
Oh.
Colombia
is nice.
Colombia. I'm sorry, sis.
Yes.
Colombia is nice. It's nice. It's
Colombia is
nice
nice.
though. Ndiye kote babala. I just been not even a year.
Be nice.
You're not gonna go to?
We're not gonna go
Talent,
to
talent.
Caicos.
Oh.
No.
Come on. Where?
We are not going to Turkey and Caicos.
Oh.
But come on, flat class mo no babale. Ndiye ta bana game now,
No, get on up on the queen.
That's what I'm saying.
Wow.
Never do that.
Listen.
The water is very nice.
Eu te clean.
Yes. Oh, give him the drink cream at the queen. Oh, for me.
Papa.
What do I do? We're not gonna go.
What? So the place we're not gonna go to is Turk and Caicos.
Yep, that was
Oh my
me.
gosh.
I put it too.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Okay.
So two.
Florida
Turk
go
and
back.
Caicos out.
Yeah.
But then.
Many months ago.
Oh, Matsi. Jackson Caicos.
Wow.
We should go.
What
the hell? We should go there. We should go there.
Wow. All right. So we are not going to Bali.
Oh, I would not go to Bali that day. Oh, so Bali wait. Bali about 24 hours we travel. For 2 days?
No, not 2 days.
No, it's back for girls trip.
Girls trip, Simon. Girls trip are just 2 hours away. And you can do our
No, not 2 hours away.
But I say on girls trip for France, di loin.
Let me get Timon keep it gone.
Yeah, we found family,
That's fun be reasonable.
Yeah.
Back like, but we'll just see what's going on here.
TOUT. Next.
Oh my gosh, 3K Turks and Caicos.
The place that we are not going, Turks and Caicos.
So
Everybody.
That's the place we going.
Yeah. No, let's continue.
No,
That's not the rule.
That's how people feel.
That's the last.
Oh.
That was me.
Who's getting
Qu'est-ce qui next? Nous devons appeler Lily qui pick the where we going. Oh no, she's picking where we're going. That's where we're going. No, I mean it doesn't matter.
Just really you.
Mexico. We're not
We're not going to Mexico. This is where we going, you guys. That's where the next girls trip is. Aruba is nice. But we only can see bagay la See, for the plane, just like when we were planning to go to Mexico, we had to cancel. If something like this happens,
So the second choice will be Turks and Caicos.
But si tout bagay is planning well, we're going to Aruba. But si go comme si on like it's hard, like we forcing it, then we
Okay, so
Aruba. Yes. Good morning. Voila. This is our last night. See, Danielle, it's a nice night. I don't know what I'm saying, you guys. I need sleep. I'm toujours besoin de dormir plus. But no, this is our last night. Like, it's time for us to leave. No, so we're leaving in about 30 minutes, not like 30 minutes. Chauffeur nous a been cherching pour nous aller. Oh my goodness, like we're gonna leave this paradise here. On va quitter paradis ça. But yeah, you guys, so no parler. Même lever ne parler pour nous manger because nous dormons tard. M'bal check-in hotel, m'bal check-in réservation moi parce que m'boko check-in. But m'get après, seul tennis pour mettre dans pied, après ça m'gon jacket, m'a mettre sous moi. So let me fini m'a fait outfit check pour m'ka montrer nous. But let me show you. Parce que c'est là quand m'bal konnyea, il va faire frais, but avion ti jan frais so I want to be comfortable. So on tennis m'bal mettre dans pied and then I have my little jogger, which I love. And then I'm going to my blanc. Simple. And then I'm going to jacket. I'm going to mettre souliers. Okay. I'm going to mettre jacket là pour montrer. Alright, so outfit check. Zoom in. Outfit check. Yes. Bam.
Mayawamake. Yes, I'm cold. Because I am. Afraid. So. Yeah. Anyways, there's that more, so. Yep. Vacances fini. Okay. Girls trip fini. Bam. Devliye le telinet pour montrer nous. She'll be happy being like, what? Bam. Bam, bam. Who is this? Who's this? Beautiful house. It was nice being here. We're leaving. Guys. Yep. Pura vida. Driver a getan là, nous getan prier, la mette bagay dans machine nan, malet nous dans machine nan, nous just a rincer quelques vaisseaux, bagay ça parce que me getan rendre des dishwasher et puis quelques bagay nous dit, oh, we just gonna rinse them. So now nous pray les, okay? Now nous pray les guys, so it was real. That would be a time to have our crazies.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many
Hey,
places
boo, you're not
where the
sleeping.
beauty never ends.
I miss you.
Moi souhaite te enjoy vidéo ça c'est dernier vlog pour vacances nan qu'on a nous parler regular vlog. Pas oublier abonner avec channel là, supportez moi please. By vidéo on like partager avec toute famille, avec tous amis nous. Là pour en connaître l'autre vidéo. Bye.
I used to wake up without confidence till I woke up with you right by my side. I didn't think that you would show up like you did, and you turned my life upside down. Oh, your love has got me high, I never wanna say goodbye. It's like my world's on fire, like my world's on fire. This is where we're meant